All right, let's take a look at the shoulders and the arm. So we're going to look on the anterior view is that all the muscles on the anterior side of your arm, all of them, are all flexors of some form. Remember, flexion is the movement of a joint so that it's less than 180 degrees. So as we move it from fully extended, and then we keep flexing it, it goes from 180 to 90 to 45. Think about what happens when you're doing bicep curls. That is the flexors of your arm right here. So all the flexors of our arms are found on the anterior part of our arm. So if you think about it, anatomical positioning is very important. Your palms are up. So anything on that anterior surface are all flexors. They're either going to flex your humerus, or they're going to flex your forearm, or flex your wrist, or even flex your fingers. So everything on the front side, they're all flexors of some form. So right here, what we see is the pec major, the deltoid muscle that's covering over the lateral surface, and then you can see the biceps brachii muscle, the main flexor along with the brachialis muscle deep to it. So here's a brachialis muscle immediately deep to it. You don't really see it really well unless we remove the biceps, which we'll do right now. As we remove the biceps, you can see the two heads of the biceps right here, this one and then this one. And then you can see the brachialis kind of underneath it. As we move that over a little bit, over here, we'll also see the brachialis a little bit better. Now you can really see the brachialis. There's a brachialis muscle. It's pretty big. You see the coracobrachialis coming from the coracoid process of your scapula down to the brachium or your humerus. And this muscle way deep on the other side, that's actually your triceps over here. So we'll skip that for now. We'll come back to the triceps in a minute. As we go further down, that's about it. So we can see the remnant of your way deep over here. You can see the insertion point of your latissimus dorsi, as well as the insertion point of your teres major muscle, which we'll see much better when we look at the posterior view. So let's look at the forearm and the hand.